people, today it's raining and we are on our way going to sending palm fruit to the mill. And as you guys can see, it's heavily rain. Hopefully I don't catch a cold, I don't get a fever.
Jangan lebat guys. Ngam-ngam kita masuk kilang hujan lebat.
Very cloudy, super cloud, a lot of mist, very cold right now. I think 16 degrees. 16 degrees Celsius, very cold.
Tidak nampak seberang sana guys, hujan lebat.
Yeah.
Teh saja sana. Gunung tidak nampak lagi. Sampai sudah guys.
Now this is what I call a heavy rain. This is how we earn money guys. It's not easy.
Sampai kena hujan guys. Berat sekarang ialah 336 3360. Naik. Ada ke orang atas ini guys. Sana satu lori. Oh ada kereta satu.
Sih kasih membuatnya. Relax lim dah.
Wow.
Dia tidur lim dah. Okay guys, we are at the mill itself, at the ram. We call this ram. We have a friend over there. They're sleeping over there, and we are waiting for the rain to be settle a bit down. Okay, just a little bit rain. Yes, we're waiting for it to be settled a little bit. So as you can see, still heavily rain. And you can see at our place over there, beside there, there's our friend is still waiting for a little bit rain. Now it's too heavy, so we stay inside the car, like we stay safe, stay home. Yeah. Okay. So remember to subscribe us, like and share our channel. Okay. Wait for the rain first. All right. I'm going to chill, and I'm shivering because I got out from the car just now. It's heavy rain, just to get the registration form to give to the grader, and from there I get this wet shirt caused from the rain. So I guess I'm going to enjoy the cold, and I hope you guys enjoy to see me in cold. Peace ya.
Kita sudah buang buah tadi. Tidak ada hujan, sangat lupa ambil video tadi. Berat kereta 2060. Oke, Sumi sudah ambil duit. Yang
Yes.
berapa yang?
1.3.
1.3. Oh. Okay.
Awesome.
Awesome.
I'm gonna rise tonight, and I'm going to bath in a jacuzzi in my dream. Hot bath. I hope. Hot bath. I'm not that cold now. I'm not so cold. Because this is my nature. This is me. I like the coldness. Welcome to my life. Yeah. I like to live raining, wet, This is my nature.
Suami suka basah-basah guys.
Suka basah-basah. I love the wetness. I love the coldness. Oh yeah. I'm gonna put this away. Yeah.
Oke, kita jalan guys balik ke pondok. Balik. Oke, bye. Jangan lupa subscribe, like, and share.